Do you struggle to fall asleep quickly? You're not alone. Millions of people worldwide stay awake for hours even when they feel tired. But today's video will show you how to fall asleep fast, scientifically proven and extremely effective. Number 1. 4-7-8 breathing technique. With this simple breathing method calms your nervous system instantly. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Within a few minutes, your heart rate slows down and your mind relaxes. Number 2. Military sleep method. This technique is used by soldiers to fall asleep anytime, anywhere. Relax your face muscles completely, drop your shoulders, loosen your arms, take slow breaths, then imagine a peaceful place like floating on water. Most people fall asleep in 120 seconds. Number 3. Reduce blue light. Phones, laptops, and TVs stop your brain from producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed to fall asleep faster. Number 4. Keep your room cool. Your body sleeps faster when the room temperature is between 18-20 C 64-68 F. A cool room signals your brain that it's time to rest. Number 5. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine at night. Caffeine stays in your body for 8 hours, keeping your brain awake. Avoid coffee, tea, chocolate, or energy drinks at least after evening. Number 6. Use the 15-minute relief. You can't sleep after 15 minutes. Get up and do something relaxing like reading or stretching. This resets your mind and prevents overthinking. Number 7. Create a fixed sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Your brain loves consistency. The more regular your sleep schedule, the faster you fall asleep. Try these techniques tonight and see the difference. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity for your brain, hormones, and overall health. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.